Removing a ConnectX-7 NDR 400 adapter riser assembly. Remove the tray cover. Remove the front cross brace. For shared I/O or socket direct configurations, disconnect the cable from the processor board. Loosen the captive screw on the riser assembly. Remove the 3 T10 screws from the screw holes on the riser cage marked with an A. Holding the edges of the riser assembly, remove it from the node. Remove the screw that secures the adapter to the riser cage. Remove the adapter from the riser cage. If you are removing a water loop, remove the interface plate. Remove the 4 PH1 screws from the interface plate. Release the interface plate with a flat head screwdriver. Insert the screwdriver and then turn it slightly to release the interface plate from the water loop cold plate. Remove the interface plate from the tray